This quick and easy flatbread is finished with our truffle salt. Let's get started.
Place your ready-made flatbread on a sheet pan, then spread spinach leaves over evenly. Sprinkle on your mozzarella cheese. Have grape tomatoes, then place them over the top of the cheese. Bake in a 450-degree oven until cheese is melted and golden. Place dollops of ricotta cheese evenly over your flatbread. Sprinkle with truffle salt to taste. Slice, then place on a platter to serve and finish with a dusting of Parmesan cheese.
You'll impress at your next party with this truffled flatbread.